one's still around. She heard me calling.
Alright guys, so welcome back to yet another video. Today a very special package actually arrived at my front door, which is this. This is a package from Abbie Vlogs. As you may know, she is a part of the Upside Down Photographers and she is an amazing videographer and photographer. She is so cool, and we thought, why not do a swap box challenge thing? We don't actually know what to call it, but it's basically where we send each other a box of random stuff from each other's countries. So for my example, I live in Denmark, so I send her some goodies from Denmark, as well as some personal items, and as well as some, you know, some candy and stuff here locally from where I'm from. And she did the exact same thing, though that her stuff is of course from where she lives, which is in Birmingham. So right now, I guess I actually only have my Gorilla Pod with me, but other than that, let's just jump right into the unboxing of this. Ooh, can't wait. So when you get something from another country, it's, you know, it's always exciting. So let's just see if we can. You know, she actually said to me that she liked tape, and now I kind of realize why and what she meant with it exactly. So oh yes. Let's dig in. All right, so let's open this up with all that bubble. Ooh. Oh, I love these hubnaps. That's what we call them in Denmark. Hubnaps, whatever. These taste so good. This is amazing, Abbie. Really, thank you so much already. Then we have something from a package. These looks delicious, by the way. Really cool. Then we have some other cookies. Oh, these looks good. I bet this is some sort of English ginger cookie, if I'm right. This really looks amazing. Delicious. Like, literally, I can't wait for tonight because I'm just gonna sit there, watch a movie, and then, ooh. All right, here we, oh, I can see some camera stuff right now. Literally, camera stuff right here. Okay, let's open up. Ooh, this is amazing. I've been wanting to get one of these for so long. This is for the GoPro, and it's a head strap for your GoPro, so you can basically have it on your head, which gives it a much better angle for when you're filming POV stuff. Literally, I have to show you my reaction for this because this is. I've been waiting. I know what to do with this after we have unpackaged everything, but this is so damn cool. I have been like wanting to get one of these. I know it's cheap probably, but thank you so much. This is amazing already. Like, I'm so hyped. All right, next item. I've been wanting one of these as well for so long. It's for the lens or the sensor of your camera. So basically, this is a air blower for your camera, which basically means that if your camera gets dirty, you can just blow air all over your camera or lens. That way you don't scratch the lens or anything. So here we have some more candy. These looks delicious. Like, ooh, this is chocolate. This is so much chocolate. Oh, that's amazing. I wish I could have sent more of this kind of stuff. Ooh, minifigures. All right, actually, me and Abbie actually also talked about this, but we should probably do one of those Danish guy tries weird English food or something. So there's gonna be a completely another video for all of the food that I just unboxed. So keep that in mind, that I'm gonna make a whole video on just eating this stuff, which is, ooh, can't wait. Then we have some hula hoops. Whoa, those looks delicious. Right, next item. Ooh, this looks exclusive though. All right, let me just, all right, how do I open this without breaking anything? All right. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. This is a picnic set, like for when you're out in nature, because I'm really like the big nature guy and stuff. So she knew that, and then she just gave it to me. Like, that's amazing because I love this kind of gadgets. So That's amazing. I can't wait to use these because, oh my god, that's so nice of you, Abbie. Really, that's so cool. All right, next thing in here is, this is so unfair because she can make these. Literally, Abbie, she can make these herself, and I've been wanting something like this for my armrest, like an armband or something. I love these. This is so cool because this is like the nature kind of stuff, which I'm all into. Again, I'm filming this in the nature, so cool. I wish you could teach me how to do this. If I ever come to Birmingham, you have to teach me how to do this because this is so cool. Oh, she even, yo, this is army. This is completely like the army color, like for your keychaining stuff. You know what? I'm actually gonna put that in my keychain right now. That's cool. Next item is, whoa, this is heavy. For a something this size, this is quite, okay, let me just open the fancy way. Oh, yo, that's GoPro stickers. What? I've been wanting some of these for so long to like stick on my bike and stuff, or on my helmet. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Oh, in here we got a bunch of stickers. That's a cool one. All right, so we got, again, she knows that I'm that bushcrafty nature guy, so she sent me something with a bear on, which is amazing. So, let me just see if I can focus here. Wilderness, it says on it. That's super cool. And then here we have game over, amazing. And we have some, oh yeah, all you need is coffee. Why is that so true? Oh, no way. No way. She literally got these printed. This is her logo, believe. This is Abbie's logo, and this is the Upside Down Photographer's logo. And these are in stickers. That's amazing. What? No way she got this printed. What? This is so much thumbnail. She got it printed. This is really something. I didn't expect her to do this much out of it. That's literally amazing. Abbie, that was amazing. Like, I can't believe that you got these two. Wow, I can't believe that you got this printed. Wow, but alright guys, so let's dig in again. What is this? It says coffee, and then yeah, that's literally, she knows too much about me. That's also kind of creepy. Oh, this is cool. This is actually really like cozy because it's kind of like I live very close to the water, so this is really cool. This one totally goes in my room because coffee, nature, camera shit, that's me. Oh my god, Abbie, you know me too well. Holy moly. Before I turn it around, I want you guys to go to the comment section or up in the iCard right here, and I want you guys to make a vote. What do you think is in this box? It is the United Kingdom flag, it is Union Jack. What do you think it is? Alright, I'll give you 10 seconds. Countdown. Alright, now you have all voted, and it's a mug! What? This is literally, I'm gonna drink all my coffee from this in the future. This is, wow. I wish I had sent Abbie more stuff right now. I feel like I sent her way too little. What? Literally, I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee after this, but literally a United Kingdom mug. Like, I'm so excited about this because, wow, this is cool. I know, like, I sent her some stuff, but then she sends me all this, and I'm like, whoa, I should have sent her way more stuff. But she got my battery grip, so I guess it's kind of fair. Wow, that was the last thing. No way, guys. That was the last thing in the box. That was that mug right there. All right, let me just show you how much I actually just messed up this whole bench. But there is so much stuff here, and that was probably the most amazing thing I've ever done with anybody before. besides wakeboarding in the sunset with a bunch of friends. That was pretty amazing too, but you get the point. So guys, that is it. There's no more in the box, but I mean, I can't thank you enough, Abbie, for doing this with me, because really amazing, Abbie. Like, you are so amazing. Always believe, but guys, always believe, really. Go subscribe to Abbie's channel right now. She's amazing, literally. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this very, very, very exciting unboxing here on my channel. And hopefully you got something out of it. I'm so stoked to have done this collaboration with Abbie. I can't wait to see your video. And I'll just see you all guys in the next video. Bang.